Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb listing not showing. First, make sure your listing is active and not paused. Then go to your hosting dashboard and check the listing status. Then check your calendar availability. If all the dates are blocked, then your listing will not appear in the search results. Next, ensure your listing Airbnb meets the requirements and follows their policies. Listing under review or flagged may not be visible. Now try adjusting your search filters such as location, dates and price range to see if your listing appears. Next, go ahead and update your listing details and save change to refresh the system. And then also, if your listing still does not show, it may take some time to appear due to system updates, so wait and check again later. That's how you fix the Airbnb listing not showing. Subscribe for more quick fixes.